How did you become so passionate about doing this area of work? Because this is a heavy burden to wear.
It is.
You know, because I do a lot of sex abuse cases, and it's hard.
It is.
Why do you do it?
So I first got into it from the partners that I was working with. They're really great at this type of work. We have paralegals who've been at our firm for 30 years. And those women have these pictures up in their offices of all of the children that we've represented. And I remember being a law student, seeing that going, wow, they really care. This is something that you're changing lives. You're giving children an opportunity to live not only to 30, but hopefully to 50 and 60 when they have CP and they're not walking, talking, eating, all of those things. So the firm was already passionate about it, and the women at the firm were passionate about it. And I saw that love for the client and the way that you can connect with these clients and they become family. And so when I first got into this work and we were able to have a really good recovery for the first child I worked with, those children stay with you forever. Christmas cards, you follow those children for the rest of their lives, and you know that you've given them an opportunity to have a good life.
Yeah, you've had the $21 million verdict, $15 million verdict, probably a lot of 7 and 8 figure settlements because those are sometimes confidential. But before that, even when you were back that first year under contract, when you were potentially the first female associate ever at a 130-year-old firm, what are some of the things that you did? Because I know that you changed some laws, were able to establish things, but what did you do in that first year to establish that, hey, I'm here to stay?
I think for me, let's go back to when I was clerking even. Okay. So you only have 6 weeks as a clerk, and I always tell our clerks to do this. Don't just sit in your clerk office. Get out and meet everybody at the firm, find out what they're working on, and find out what you can do, because no one really cares about your work product. They want to know if you fit.
Yes, that's true.
I mean, you're going to make me a memo, great. But if you don't feel like a fit here, that you're passionate about being here, and I can see myself working with you in the future, that's all I need to know in 6 weeks.
Yeah, because not a lot of time, and lawyers get so busy, they're not reviewing work product, they're reviewing you. So meet as many of the lawyers and partners that you can and stand out.
Yes. Do not be someone that I go, is that person a clerk?
Who is that person?
Yeah. But think about it. I can remember maybe one every 2 years that really stood out, and it's because they got involved and they cared about me and asked me about me and my practice and wanted to go to depots.